Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to unlock Chevy Blazer without key. Begin by inspecting each door for damage and testing the fob battery to rule out a dead remote. If the spare key is unavailable, consider simple non-invasive methods like using a wedge and a long-reach tool to press the unlock switch. Always prioritize safety and legality, and avoid forcing locks which can cause expensive damage to your vehicle. Before you start, gather basic tools and make a plan so the process is smooth and safe. Use a soft wedge to protect the weather stripping and create a slight gap, then use a long-reach tool to operate the interior unlock or grab the handle. Keep your phone and proof of ownership nearby in case you need roadside assistance. Stay calm and work methodically to avoid causing damage. Start by placing the wedge low and gradually increasing the gap to avoid popping trim or bending the frame. With a steady hand, slide the long-reach tool to press the unlock button or hook the interior handle. Move slowly to feel resistance and avoid damage. If you cannot reach the controls, stop and contact professional roadside assistance to avoid broken windows or costly repairs. Patience prevents bigger problems in the long run.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.